Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Voicemod on Roblox so you can change your voice while talking in games that support voice chat. First, download and install the Voicemod software from the official website on your computer. Once it's installed, open the program and connect your microphone by selecting it in the input device settings. Voicemod will then show a list of different voice effects you can use, such as robot, deep voice, or other fun filters. Next, set Voicemod's virtual microphone as your main microphone in your computer's sound settings. This allows any app or game to receive the modified voice instead of your original microphone input. After that, open Roblox and make sure voice chat is enabled on your account through the privacy settings. Once you join a game that supports voice chat, open the in-game settings and confirm that the microphone input is set to Voicemod Virtual Microphone. Now go back to the Voicemod app and select the voice effect you want to use. When you speak, the modified voice will be transmitted through Roblox voice chat. You can also switch between effects in real time while playing to make conversations more fun and entertaining. Subscribe the channel for more videos.